You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Thanks for stopping by today. This is another kind of like a little maker, but not. It's something that I actually have to create by taking these hot cocoa bombs. Now, I did a bunch at Christmas time, more than a bunch. I did at least 4 different sets. Update me and remind me. And then I saw these and I thought, oh yeah, let's do them again. I had fun with those. I'm not going to use mugs. I thought about it. I'm thinking I might just use these glass bowls so that we get a better look at how these things dissipate. And I don't have 4 of the same shaped perfectly. I do, but they're textured on the outside, so I'm not going to get a good look. So that's what I think I'm going to do. And then I'll move them to a mug once they are ready to drink. Now you're taking this bomb in 6 fluid ounces of hot milk. You stir it, and you watch the marshmallows pop to the top. Okay, and it's a to from, so you rock, it says on the side. Now I've done, and it was actually the mod Boraps before, and it's like a very cool pinkish color, like a flat pink, and then a starburst from the inside. It's a heart that's cut out, and there's 4 of these bombs on the inside, and it's strawberry and cream with mini marshmallows. Looking forward to that. So sweet and good, and meant to share. The perfect treat to show you care. And it's on like this really deepish, bluish, purplish color with diamonds and hearts. All different little colors. A couple little lovebirds. All right, the back. Hot cocoa bombs, strawberry and cream. That's what it says at the top. And it's kind of repeating a lot of the same stuff. Now the back is red and pink, and there's little pink diamonds with little squiggly lines and hearts and stuff. There's the ingredients. Distributed by Mod Borap, Inc. Still haven't heard from them. When are they going to send me stuff? Come on. I got to at them somewhere. Someone at them. Someone say, hey, Lucky Penny Shop loves doing your stuff. Why don't you send them some things? Yeah, that would be nice. So there's 4. Let's just get this out of the box before we go any further. Okay, I'm not seeing tape. There we go. Ooh, look at that. They're like a pool ball, but smaller. Probably a little bit larger than a ping pong ball. And they're very shiny red and a very dark red. Ooh, let's just see how they fit in the bowl. So I was thinking I would do this because we're going to get a good look at how everything's going to cook in there. Melt in there. You hear them? Ooh, that's cool. You could do that too. I'll probably fly out and crack on the ground. Actually, I'd love to just crack one open without actually putting it in so we can get a good look. So I would do this. I'd have to get some milk and warm that up. So let's do that. It said 6 ounces. Wait, instructions. 6 ounces of milk. So 6, 12, 18, 24. 6 times 4 is 24. That's what I'm going to do. I may just crack one open, though, on its own and just put it in there to get that. Like this one. This one's already got a leaker. It's got a little crack in there, so we'll use that one as my test subject. All right, I'll be back with the milk. Let's heat it up like we did before on a little hot plate, and we'll check them out. All right, I have everything in position and ready to go. I'm going to dissect this one here on the far left. So I only needed 18 ounces of milk, but I will put it all in, and I will get that started. Actually, let me do that so I can get that heating up, and I don't have to sit here too long. I'll get this started. Okay, the heat is on. I will come back then and say 5 minutes when it gets to the perfect temperature. And remember, at Christmas time, I was actually taking the temperature and getting the milk to the correct temperature for like hot chocolate. So I'm going to do that, and then I will come back and dissect. I will be back. Ooh, let's get these out of the way. Probably in 5 minutes, so that by the time I'm done dissecting, I can get the milk in my little bowls. Okay, I am checking. Now, if I went back and looked, it was 160. When the milk was 160, you're good. Let's see where we're at. 126. So I'm going to turn it down just a little so we don't burn. And then I'm going to do the dissection now. Time for the dissection. All right. So I am all set down here. I have all the tools I need. This should be easy to open, and then we'll see the thickness of the actual exterior strawberry cream shell, and then all of the different... Ooh, look at that. That was simple and easy. It's actually pretty thick. It's unevenly distributed, the thickness. So my guess, this is just a guess, is that it was the mold. See how thick it is here and then not so thick there? Wait a minute, there we are. So it was like this. So maybe this one set and most of the chocolate ran down to the bottom. I mean, is it really chocolate? What is it? And then these are soft yet, well, they will be soft marshmallows. But right now they have a crispy taste to them. All right, so I'm close on the temperature. Ooh, that's my timer for the milk. I'll be right back. All right, the first one is ready. Now, remember 6 ounces. So what I'm gonna do though is 6 ounces may not be right for this type of bowl because a coffee mug, you know, is a little skinnier and taller. So let's just go to 8 and we'll see if that's enough. Okay, 8 ounces. It's nice and warm and ready to go. Psh, did you hear that? It does not look like it's going to be enough to cover it. All right, I'll tell you what. I got this bowl here. Let's try this. It's a little more fluted, so it should cover it. Here we go. Yes, float around. Float, float, float. I guess it doesn't matter if it covers it because it is ready to go. It's just going to do its own thing. Let me get another one ready. You watch that. And I'm going to do 8 ounces on the next one. I don't think it matters. No, I'm going to stick to 6 because I want the flavor that they're recommending. Ooh, it's starting to break apart. Now, it does say stir. Drop the bomb in and stir. So here we go. And then watch your marshmallows float. Well, we saw it. Not as exciting as I would have hoped. It is a pretty color. Okay, let's get this in my mug. Let's see if this will pour. Oh, this is very daring. Ooh, way too daring. Let me get it in my big measuring cup. It'll be easier to pour from that to this. Okay. Now I can go into my mug. Perfect. Ooh, looks very red. Very red. All right, my next one is ready, so I do want to try this. So let me get another bowl. Let me try my original bowl. Okay. Now, I think it did say drop bomb into the hot milk. Here we go. We should get a plop plop on this one. Okay, we'll zoom in. And I'll be off the camera here, just plopping. And it floats. Okay, now I'm mixing the other one. I'm going to taste it. I taste the strawberry. Come on, buddy. Oh, look, there's a little hole in it. Oh, that was perfect. Did you see that? All right, let that one mix. I want to take another sip. When it sits, all the red, look at the difference in color between the two. It just sits on the top. I don't know what you'd call that. Dye? Coloring? What is it? It is tasty. All right, here is the last one. I will put the milk into the... Okay. I need to unplug that because it's going to be burning when I get this off the flame. I mean off the electric. Okay. All right. Here we go. That's a little more milk than the last one just because I'm going to add the 2 into 1. Let me put the rest of it in there. Did I see a lump go in there? Must have been a milk lump. All right, you ready? We'll try to get this one perfect. All right, in goes the last one. Yes, my stomach. There's the hole. There it is, look. Ooh, that one was good. Oh, perfect. Now let me put these in here. That's the last of it all. I can't say I'm 100% keen on drinking the red. I don't know why. I don't think it's definitely not natural red. So it has to be chemicals. Just not too much into the... See, look at the difference. Mixed and unmixed, so it's all kind of... It's not becoming one with the milk. I shouldn't be drinking milk anyway. Could be why. I finished one complete. So these have become a waste. I do apologize for that. But I'm experimenting, so. Now look at the one that has sat. And then the one that hasn't sat. So you kind of get an idea how that red doesn't actually become one with the milk. It still remains separate. There's a side shot. Let's move this out of the way. There you go, see that? So there's still a bunch of chocolate on the bottom of this one on this side. It is a pretty color, I will say that. Alright, well, I'll tell you what, that was fun. I had fun. Oh, man, after all that, I finally spill over the edge. Ooh, hot, 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 hot. Ooh. Come on, don't stain my tabletop. That would be a problem if it stained the tabletop. Okay, well, there you go. You are the bomb. Strawberry and cream with mini marshmallows. Worked out good. I don't know, maybe I'll just put this in that measuring cup and leave it for later. Maybe someone else will drink it in the fam. It is strawberry flavored, and that I do get. I do get the strawberry flavor. So on that level, the color and the flavor is spot on. And thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I had fun making it. Now, there's going to be other videos for Valentine's Day, so please stick around. Check them out every day. Every day till Wednesday, Valentine's Day, I will have a video for you. And thanks for watching, everybody. There's going to be a link in the comment section at the top that's pinned, and I always put that there. Hopefully, you'll click on it and watch more videos. Later! If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here.
Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.